Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Notice something different? Purple hair. So if you want to see how I got this hair, what products I used, keep watching. Hey guys, so today we're getting a little messy. We are going to be coloring my hair purple, as you already know, obviously, but we will be using the Arctic Fox Purple Rain and the Arctic Fox Girls Night. So, can you see that? I don't know. Just feeling like I need a little bit of change in my life, and we've already been pink, so I love purple. We're going back purple. So what we're gonna do is not anything real special here. We've got our basic setup. You guys know how I do. We are going to be using the Purple Rain on the base of my hair. The base is what normal non-cosmetologists, non-hairdressers call the roots. So the darker portion of my hair, I'm going to take this to about right here. So about 3 finger widths is how far from my scalp I'm going to take the dark purple. I'm going to let that process 30-45 minutes. And then we are going to run the Girls Night through all of the blonde parts. That way we get a nice ombre or gradient effect. And my hair is shedding so bad, y'all. Stress sucks. So that's what we're going to do. We're starting with clean, dry, unconditioned hair because that's what the directions say to do. Arctic Fox is a conditioning color, conditioning direct dye semi-permanent hair color. They're cruelty free. If you want to know more information, I'll go ahead and link their site down below, or you can hop on over to Kristen Leanne's site and check out any of her videos about it, because she is the owner, curator, developer, creator of Arctic Fox here. So the first thing we are going to do is we are going to kind of section off. You know what? We're just going to kind of section this in half and pull it back. And yes, it's important to be super, super precise. Don't take me seriously, because y'all know I don't know how to be serious. I just got some clippies here. I'm just going to clip that. I'm going to move my camera down, or my mirror down here so I can see what I'm doing. And I think that that's what it is. I think it's like grape soda. Now we have handy dandy magic gloves. These are gonna help us with a clean and precise application, or just keep us from staining our hands with a ball. That's possible too. So we've got the color in our bowl, and we're using straight color this time, you guys. I'm not diluting it at all. And I'm just gonna cover right now. If you can see what I'm doing, I am just going to saturate my base or my roots and pull it up as far as the color just naturally wants to go before it runs out. I'm going to make sure, and I know that this is going to stain my skin a little bit, but that's okay. We will fix that shortly. We just want to make sure that with my hair being so light and brown and blonde and not purple, that we get it all the way to the base. And no one's hairline is ever straight, so you kind of got to get a little messy with it sometimes in their application, just to make sure that your art is your craft. So, you know, people are supposed to get what they pay for. So you want to make sure that you're doing everything by the book and perfectly, so that way they get the results that they want, and something crazy is less apt to happen. Now, I won't say never, because sometimes clients just are not honest with you and they don't tell you what's really going on in their hair. So here's where we are with this right now, and I have just gone color all over everything, so perfect. I am going to finish up just like this. You've seen it, this is nothing magic. We're gonna get the dark purple on here and we're gonna let it set, and I will be back. All right guys, I am back and we have all of our base covered. As you can see, it's kind of messy. So if you are someone who is very OCD or has to have things completely organized and exact and precise, it's probably not the hair technique for you. So what we're gonna do while we process this is, I got my little hair bag here. I'm just gonna kind of pull this up, but I don't want to wrap the ends up into the base. So I got it like loose back here. Let me see. See? I'm basically just like clipping the ends to themselves so they're kind of hanging. So I can put this over. This serves two purposes. Well, three really, because you know that I look absolutely freaking amazing right now. But the two main purposes is, one, it keeps things a little bit cleaner so you're not getting color on you or on anybody else who might bump into you, or on anything that you might bump into. And the second is your body puts off heat. Heat helps color kind of stick and process to your hair. Now this is a hair color that doesn't use peroxide or chemicals to process on your hair, but heat still does help it sink into the cuticle and seal into the cuticle, so it lasts a bit longer. So putting the bag on just kind of, it might give you an extra day or two of vibrancy. That might be honestly all in this case. In other kind of oxidizing and chemical reaction hair colors, it does a lot more. So I'm just getting my lighter purple color ready over here, because I just want it ready whenever we're ready to put it on. And I don't want it to be crazy purple. I just want like a light lavender. I just want it to kind of fade out to nothing. So I again mix the Girls Night with some conditioner. So look at my mess here. That's the color we're gonna get. It's just very, very light Easter eggy purple. So it's gonna, okay, no, I look like a troll. They should have cast me in the movie. So it could be amazing. I would have been the best lead with Justin Timberlake. They don't even have any idea. So, okay, now we're covered. I'm gonna go shower. You can't join me. I'll be back as soon as my hair is dry. We'll see the result. Hey guys, so here is the purple hair. I hope you like it. It is darker here at the base and fades out nicely to a very vibrant pinkish violet purple on the ends. So go ahead and leave it in the comments. Tell me what you think. Do you prefer the purple or the pink? What do you think of this brand? And hey, what colors should I try next? So go ahead and hit that subscribe button while you're doing it, just so you can check it out next time, and I'll see you later.